Right, I just wanted to show the result here of printing. We'll do a separate video from the PC to show you what the margins and page setup are for this type of label, but you can see it actually prints very well. Both top, bottom, left, right are pretty balanced, so I think we're just going to leave it the way it is. But again, remember that these settings, if you do need to change them, you hit Menu, then Printer in the middle, Label Position, and it's going to be Label Offset. Sorry, finger's a little dry apparently. Whoa, my label offset should be 0, not minus whatever. So I'll have to play with that, but this should be 0 for X and Y. If we had a need to move it left and right, again, you move the X-axis offset, and if we needed to move it up and down in the feed direction, you'd use the Y direction offset. And try it in both directions. It's not necessarily fresh in my mind as to whether minus moves it up or down. Just try it, moving it in either direction to see what the impact is. When you're done, leave it in that position, and that'll be good for this printer. Now, you might have 5 printers of the same model, right? And they can all have a different left-hand position, or X position, or Y position. Because of mechanical tolerances, each printer might be slightly different. So in this way, we don't want to make those changes in the Bartender template settings, nor in the driver, right? Because each individual printer, certainly it'll have its own driver, and yeah, but it's a lot easier to walk up to a printer and see what needs to be done to move the print left, right, up, down for that printer. And that's why those settings should be done individually from the front face, in my opinion.